Do you want to fast-track your pathway to profitability online? Imagine gaining lifetime access to a 6-day virtual challenge packed with bonuses, templates, and top-secret goodies, all valued over $777. Unlock the secrets of successful affiliate marketing with our 6-day challenge. Get lifetime access to a plethora of resources and a step-by-step guide to profitability. The 6-day challenge is designed to fast-track your pathway to success, with each day focusing on a key aspect of affiliate marketing. Day 1 unveils the secret ingredient to making all this work. It's a crucial component that many new marketers overlook, leading them to fall by the wayside. Day 2 is all about setting up for success. We cut through the slow, tedious processes and guide you down a quicker route to profitability. Day 3 revolves around finding your North Star. Misstep here and your journey becomes like wading through quicksand. Day 4 helps you identify our perfect person, showing you how to attract eager buyers to your opportunity like bees to honey. Day 5 is about mastering seamless sales. Learn how to have your leads chasing you like the last piece of cake at a party, using simple methods to draw in potential customers. Finally, Day 6 focuses on making this a business and scaling. Discover how to generate a job-busting income quicker than you can brew a cup of coffee. Master the art of affiliate marketing and discover how to scale your business. Ready to transform your online business? Imagine gaining lifetime access to a 6-day virtual challenge, complete with bonuses, templates, and top-secret goodies, all painstakingly assembled over 12 years, and now they are yours. The total value of these resources is over $777. Yet, for a limited time, you can secure your order for a mere fraction of the price. Order today and fast-track your pathway to profitability. Click the link below to get started.